Alright, welcome to another installment of My CNG Guy Components. Today this is your fuel injector selection. This is what we have available to us, or you immediately. I'm going to go through your options. We are selling these components as an option upgrade. When you're purchasing a kit, you're going to get a base ECU kit, and this is your selection of injectors. This is I'm going to make this video so you can see what they look like. So when you purchase your base ECU kit, your next option is going to be your injector decision. Now this is available to anybody. You can do your kit however you'd like. I'm going to start off with our economy injector. This is considered a slow injector. This is a universal injector set. Obviously this is a 3-cylinder, this is a 4-cylinder. These are individual. So this injector here, these are universal. This is a basic economy injector. Now, for some vehicles, I'm going to recommend that this injector be sold to you exclusively. Some vehicles, I will, if you talk to me personally or Troy personally, will recommend the best injector for your vehicle. Some vehicles will not accept a fast injector. Some will require a slower injector. It's just because certain vehicles' injector timing requires the correct injector. This is a very durable injector, and up here you can see these are calibrator for me to calibrate for your specific vehicle. So when you purchase an injection rail of this style through My CNG Guy, I will calibrate the vehicle. I'll ask you some questions, and I will set the stroke up in here to your vehicle. So this is your slow injector. These are economy injector, 3 or 4-cylinder. Okay, so we move up into the premium line. Now this injector here, this is our mainstream injector. This is direction that we're going to go with mainstream. Move these out of the way. So this here, this is in a 4-cylinder configuration. This is a polymer injector rail. Now it's not completely polymer. In here it is actually metal inside on the main drive unit. This is a diaphragm operated. This is not a normal type of injector. This is a very fast injector. This is responds at the same rate that, let's say, a Hemi or a Chevrolet or the Toyota injectors respond at. This will be able to maintain the same speed that the newer vehicles are coming out with. So this, if you're looking at the upgrade, this is considered the fast injector. So if you're wondering what it looks like, this is what it looks like. And the reason why it's polymer, this is available in 2 options. We chose to go with the polymer because this material actually resists the stresses of hot and cold, and it maintains its response rate under extreme conditions. This is also very, very a rugged, heavy-duty injector rail. And what I mean by that is when you go with a OEM style, like let's say what Chevrolet and Ford come out with, they are not they don't take dirt or impurities very well. The injector will wear out. The injectors that My CNG Guy has, the reason why we've chosen what we've chosen is because we want a really long-lasting injector rail. And these type of injector rails here, these ones, the reason why we originally chose those was for the ruggedness. The way they're designed is they can accept impurities very, very well and still provide very reliable performance. So we've carried that same mentality over to this injection rail, and that's what we've chosen this for. So not only is it fast, but it is very long lasting. Now the other injection system that we're going with as an option is this is in our V6 kit, only available in our V6 kit, and this is the rails that you would get. And these may come in some different flavors until we get our 2-cylinder and 3-cylinder versions of this AEB rail here. But in the meantime, the V6 kits are going to be a little wild, but these, we're going to give you a fast injector as well. And so how you calibrate this one is really easy. You're just going to remove this nozzle here. Now this, once you remove this, this is 3mm. So this is for high flow, high horsepower V6s. If you have a low power, you can see the light through there, you're going to keep that installed. Now what's cool with the system that I have now that you're going to get is there's a sliding gauge inside of it, and it will tell you if your nozzle diameter is correct, and it'll tell you if it's too big or too small. And if it's too big, then you need to put that little calibrator back in. If it's too small, then you just remove that and make that hole bigger. The way you do it with our AEB injector rail, this plastic one here, is there are some nozzles here that you'll have to drill out, and it's very simple. The reason why I do this is because you can actually get more performance out of this by doing it this way than getting the injector rails pre-calibrated. I can get them pre-calibrated from the factory, but by doing this, it gives you more control over your injector because every vehicle is unique. So if I did it this way, I can actually give you a better capability of injector. The accessory kit that comes with this is pretty standard. You're going to get a, this is only with this one, but this injector rail here has these rubber sound isolators. Comes with your intake nozzle and your plug for the other side. So there's holes on two sides, and then your nozzles. So when you order this individual rail, whether you're just ordering this or ordering it as a kit, you're going to get these two things right here with each kit. And as far as the injection hoses, this is the injection hose. With every kit that I'm doing now, I really try to make this easy for the end user. This is actually the accepted size for the length of hose. If you can make it shorter, that's great. But it really cannot be longer than this. If it does, there's settings that you're going to have to do in the ECU that are pretty advanced. Our ECU will accept it, and there is a setting for that. But to get maximum performance out of your natural gas system, I'm going to send you these. These are 20 centimeters. I try to do this with every kit that I do. That way when you get the kit, you know it's going to work. So we'll go over everything again. And this video may be long. I do long videos. So if you ever get a product and you say, oh man, it's not like what you guys have in the video. If you guys order a premium injector, okay, which I call a fast injector because they have a very fast response time, okay, and it looks anything different, I will never give you something that is lower quality than a fast injector. I'll never give you something cheap. You're always going to get whatever the best is that I find. If I find something that works better, then I'm going to upgrade to that. But right now, what I have, this is actually the best that's out there. So keep that in mind. As far as our economy, you're pretty much, we have a lot of these. I mean a lot. Let me show you. That's all of our injectors. So I have quite a bit of those. And then I have more up there. So as it is right now, this is pretty stable. We have these in stock. I have, I think, 2,000 of these in stock. So we have everything you need anytime. Just let us know. Thanks.